This is the situation along Mutare Road just before Mavuku turnoff. There's a traffic until now. Traffic hasn't been able to pass through quickly along the Mavuku turnoff where the police and army roadblock. New live from the same road, which is Mutare Road, just before Mavuku. Here, as we broadcast live, the situation there. Stretch is going as far as Zimre Park, and this is the situation on the ground. Some cars are breaking down because they've been idling for too long, and this is causing a lot of trouble for those who are driving from Mutare or Rua, Zimre Park, Dama Falls, going into the city center. This is the situation on the ground right now. As you can see, some are making U-turn, or they are going via the one way that's coming from town, or making a U-turn going back to where they are coming from, because of the situation has become unbearable. If you can check the time right now, as we broadcast live from Mutare Road here on Fly Media, this is the situation on the ground, as you can see. We don't know why, and rumors are saying that a lot of people, even if you have a letter that allows you, because of essential services, to go into town, you are still not being allowed to pass through. And also, even if you are in a Zupco bus, you are allowed to come down, disembark the bus, and then they check your pass, and if you have, you are allowed. If you don't have, then you remain behind. Obviously, maybe for you to pay a fine of why you are traveling, where you are going without a pass. This is the situation right now. As you can see, these are the tanks at the Mavuku turnoff. Just to show you the geographical location of where we are. Thank you so much for watching Sly Media. We may not broadcast as much. As you can see, even if we go down there, further down there, people are still making a U-turn from where they are right now, going back to Mutare or Zimre Park or Dama Falls. That's the situation here. As you can see, the cars are very slow. They're not moving. They're only moving at a snail pace. Tumamirira zvakaita panapa tiri kuno kuMabvuku pano paSly Media. Hatisi kuziva kuti zvakamira sei, asi zviri kutaurawo nzira dzese dzinopinda muguta reHarare, maroadblock aripo nhasi ari serious, vari kuburutsa vanhu vachivabvunza mapasi, kana usina uchisara ipapo, kana une pasi uchiita sei, uchipfuurira mberi nerwendo rwako. Asiwo vamwe vari kunzi kunyange wanga une pasi kana une kadhi kana tsamba dzekufambisa, uri kungodzidzokera zvakadaro kumba, tisingazivi kuti chii chaita kuti nhasi zvidai, uyewo zvekare zvafamba sei. Hatisati tava necomment yekuziva kuti sei kuno zvakanyanya kuoma kupfuura mazuva ese. Ndo situation iri paground muno muZimbabwe, wherever you are. If you are anywhere else, you can inbox us. Just give us a 30-second video. Just show us the pictures or a video of where you are right now and what is happening. As you can see, let me zoom in on that one. That one is frustrated. I think he wants to make a U-turn or drive along the one way. Let's wait and see. There you are. After waiting for a long time, facing oncoming traffic. He makes or she makes a U-turn. Frustrated motorists turning back to where they are coming from. The congestion is just unbearable. Most motorists are frustrated. I'm told some have been able to pass through, but after maybe 7 hours of trying to get to a journey that will normally take them 15 minutes, coming from Zimre Park. This is the situation. Traffic jam continues as people try to maneuver their way out. As you can see, just over the road, some people are still making a U-turn, going back to where they are coming from. There's a slight movement at the moment. As you can see, traffic flow is increasing. Right, it's stretching back to see over there, just after the valley. At least there's a traffic movement at the moment. Yes, we are still live on Sly Media. As you can see overhead, yes, we are live, continuing with the live broadcast. As you can see, the traffic jam continues and stretching back to Mabuku. We are live on Sly Media, just showing you the situation on the ground. We're getting close to Mabuku turn-off right now. Kana uchangotibata tiri pamugwagwa unobva Mutare Harare wakananga kwa Mutare, asi zvinezvi tiri pa turn off, takuda kusvika pa turn off yekumabvuku tichibva kuZimure Park takananga Mutare Harare. Nguva pari zvino izvi dziri kuratidza kuti aiwa dzakuvavarira kuti dziite masikati. Mota dziri kufamba zvishoma dzichitadza kuti dzipinde mutauni, sekutaura kwanamboita kuti vazhinji vada kupinda mutauni asi kubva hapana vanhu vanga vachikwanisa kuflowa kupinda mutauni. Vari kutiwo chero munhu uine mabhasi pamwe unogona kunzidzokera, kana usina unonzigara ipapo. Vamwe vari kunzidzokerai kumba kwenyu kana kuburuka muzupko muchidzokera kwamabva ndomamakuwa tiri kunzwa zviri kuitikawo munzvimbo dzakasiyana siyana. Nzira dzese dziri kupinda muguta reHarare nasuno hadzizi kupindika nyore nyore. Vazhinji mota dzavo dziri kuboila, vamwewo vari kuita ma-U-turn vachiita get stuck in the process, vachitry kuda kucrossa to the next road. No situation iripo. Thank you so much for watching Sly Media. We'll continue to give you an update as we travel towards the city center. Thank you. God bless you, and thank you for continuing to support Sly Media.